amazing. Alright, right now we're going to the dealer to do the recalls on the car, but maybe this is the last time we see this car. No, I don't know, but here is the Corolla. Okay guys, so this is maybe the last shot of this car because we're going to the dealer to see if they give me something cool. So let's go over there and see if they give me a good deal for this one and for the new one. Okay guys, so I'm on my way to the dealer to see if they can give me a cool car. Maybe you already know because of the thumbnail, but let's see if I can get the car. If I can get it, it's gonna be amazing, man. This is gonna be a miracle from God's miracle. Okay, so let's go over there. Let's see if they can give me the car. So I'm happy and excited, but let's see if this works. Okay, so let's go over there. Okay guys, so today is the day I'm picking up my Supra. These are the guys that help me.
Rolando Martinez.
Angel, Rolando. If you need a car, contact them. I'm gonna put the website or the phone number over there. So, wow. Wow. It's amazing. So, that. And the old one, bye bye Corolla. Wow, beautiful, man. This is the Supra 2021 A91 edition. This is the special edition. It has this here. Oh. Wow, Supra, nice. Wow, love it. So it's a black color because I like it, and I'm gonna wrap it, you know guys. Wow. Go ahead.
Las luces. Beautiful car.
Okay.
Alright, so like unlock it again?
Here.
Or you got
here you go. I don't know how.
Oh, it's fine. You just when you unlock it, this is always gonna open. Yeah, it has to be far, that's fine. When you get closer, I think it's unlocking it. Yeah.
Chido, this is a carbon
fiber.
Carbon fiber. this car is beautiful, amazing, a lot of power. So I still have to learn how this car works, and I have to be a little bit careful because this has a lot of power. And I just got it. I don't wanna do anything wrong, like crash it, like that. So this is gonna be a learning process for me. So I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos of this car, a lot of mods. So my plan, the plan for this car. Okay, let's start with that. Yeah. Wow. Now the plan for this car, of course, a wrap. That's the first thing. I'm gonna do a wrap, but I don't know if I'm gonna do a partial wrap first to save money, and then a full wrap after that. But let's do a full. Wow, man, love it, man. This car is amazing. This is the first time I got a car that is this fast. I know there are faster cars out there, but this one, man, is amazing. The speed, man, the interior, oh man, it's a miracle. For me, it's a miracle. You see a lot of YouTubers out there, and some of them, they have money. Me, no, I'm on a tight budget, so that's why I'm gonna start modifying this car little by little. So no too expensive mods. So I'm gonna do mods, but I'm gonna be doing them little by little. Okay, so let's pull over on parking, and let me show you the outside, the exterior. But because today is the next day, I got the car yesterday, so I'm testing the car right now, because yesterday I couldn't do it because it was late at night, and now I'm finally testing the car. So let me pull over on a parking place that is safe to park. Okay guys, this is the Supra. Wow, man, I'm so excited. You can see it there, man. In person this car looks amazing, even in the camera, but it's hard to see it because I have seen a lot of videos and the car doesn't look like this in person, man. Wow. I hope you guys can hear me because there's a lot of noise out here, so I might go to another place because the freeway is right there, and I don't know if you guys can hear me. But you can see it is the 2021 Toyota Supra, the A91 is the special edition. So the wheels are black, you can see it has this thing, stripe. Has the Brembo brakes on the front. Wow, wow, man, wow. Let me open the hood so you can see it. Man, the headlights, they are beautiful, man. Wow. It has the PPF paint clear bra on the front. Wow, Ferrari over there. And a Ferrari, wow, man. Let me open that. I have to push it twice. Let me open it. Man, oh man, it's like I'm in a dream. But the 2021, it has these two things, these two braces, bars, and I think the rest is the same. Let's go for a drive and test it a little bit, so you can hear. Well, you're not gonna feel it because it's hard to show you on the camera, but you can see it. How much fun is this car? Man, it's a lot of fun to drive this one. So the car, man, is amazing. It has the blue stitching even on the steering wheel here. It looks beautiful, man. I already have my phone holder, but you can put your phone here. For me, I still have to learn how to use the screen for this one, because I just got it yesterday. And I got it at Joe Myers. If you need a car, you can go over there, look for Angel, he will help you out. He helped me a lot with this. Oh man, it's beautiful. Yeah. So right now I cannot explain about the interior because I don't know either. But you can see the mileage, 35 miles only. Wow. You can see the seat. Let me move this out of the way. It has suede on the middle, suede, and then blue stitching. Man, it's beautiful. It's a little bit smaller than the Corolla, but man, it's worth it. It's worth it. So let's do some pulls here on the street, on a safe area. Let's see how it feels. I'm gonna try to show you how much fun is this car, if I can. So let's turn this thing on and then put it in a sport. I think it's in a sport, no? Yeah, it's in a sport. Rather, it's a sport mode. So let's go. And this one, I'm still learning to push this button and then put it in drive. It's already in a sport mode. Hey, man, look who's calling me right now. Wow. Man, let me go on the U-turn here. Wow. Alright, so time to go. Ready? Go! Wow, man! Wow. Man, this is fast, so I have to control myself. Yeah. BMW, man, right there. So yeah, it's a BMW, but it doesn't bother me. The sound is amazing. I know I might do a exhaust system too because it's not that loud. But more mods are coming for this car. So let's do. Wow, man, wow, it's amazing. Love it. Okay, so I think that's enough because I don't want a ticket and I want to be safe. So let me know what you guys think about this. I'm super happy and I want to thank God for helping me with this, to getting this, and Angel that helped me, Joe Myers too. I want to thank him too. I'm very happy. This is amazing. I'm excited. Ok, Okay guys, so this is my new car. I bought this. Remember, mods are coming for this car in the channel. More videos, okay? So, but remember, the budget is a little bit small, so but I'm gonna do some cool modifications for this one. You will see. So subscribe for more videos like this one. If you want to see more of this car, hit the notification bell and see you in the next video.